again to my channel. It is another unboxing video for everyone. Sorry.
Drum roll.
Drum roll. Again, ng background music yun. So, for today's vlog, we will be unboxing this very cute box. Very cute box from Human Nature. Sino bang hindi nakakakalala sa Human Nature? Wala. Lahat tayo kilala natin ng Human Nature because it's very well-known for its organic products, very affordable, and safe for everyone's skin. Tama ba ako dun? So, tara, buksan na natin siya. So, ito pala, guys, worth 1,500 lahat tong nabili ko na pwedeng-pwede nyo Christmas gift for your loved ones, for your titas, titos, kahit sino. Kasi kompleto siya. Meron silang for men and meron din silang for women. Actually, very popular ngayon yung kanilang sunflower line. So, nandito siya sa isa sa mga pinurchase ko. So, isa-isa nila natin. Okay, Denise, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, go. So, for my first purchase, this is the pamper kit. So, ang laman ng pamper kit ay itong Natural Sunflower Beauty Lotion. Kasi ang pamper kit nila is worth 800 pesos. Dati siyang 919, but then they have a promo recently. So, 119 pesos off. So, it's 800. Kasama nitong Sunflower Beauty Lotion ay ang kanilang Human Nature Natural Body Scrub in Coffee and Vanilla. Coffee and Vanilla. Ayan. So, kasama to dun sa 800. This one is na 190 grams. Tapos, kasama din dito yung Sunflower Beauty Oil na Bloom, which is lightly scented in 50 ml. So, kasama to sa 800 na pamper kit. So, ayan. So, ito yung 800 pesos na dating 919. Ayan. So, syempre, ayoko naman na ako lang ang meron. So, syempre, binilhan ko rin naman si Hansel. So, hindi siya masyado mahilig sa mga pampering. So, gusto ko siyang sanayin sa ganun para naman ma-relax siya. Wow. Pero kasi, lately ko lang din nalaman na meron palang for men, Human Nature, na specifically for men. So, I want to try itong mga products na to. Just tingnan natin kay Hansel kung bets niya or up. So, since lagi siyang mahilig mag-ayos ng buhok, at gusto ko siyang gumamit ng natural lang na product, so, binilan ko siya ng Human Nature Natural Hair Shaper for men that delivers hold without damaging hair. With no one is, ilan ba to? Ano bang, basta malaki siya eh. Kasi natin siya. At ang bango niya ha, ayan siya. May parang natural clay, like yung mga ibang brands, yung pang hold ng hair. Ayan siya. So, puro natural lang yung kanyang ingredients. 50 grams. This one is 50 grams. And this is for 139 and 75 pesos. Ayan, 139 and 75 pesos po ito. Pamain na lang po. Pamain na lang po. Yung mga bumubulong. So, this one is the deodorizing foot spray. So, si Hansel kasi very maselan siya. Gusto niya lagi siyang mabango from head to toe. Diba, Denise, no? Nagagalit siya pag maasim yung mga paa namin. So, bili lang ko siya ng Human Nature Natural Foot Spray. This one is 100 ml. At nahihirapan na naman siyang mag-focus. Okay. This one is 100 ml and it costs 159.75 pesos. So, and the Natural Shaving Cream for men. This one is in 100 ml with peppermint. So, hindi siya masyadong stingy. I think malamig sa balat. So, this one is worth 174.75. May peppermint siya. Bango siya. And next one is, of course, anti-dandruff shampoo. the Human Nature Natural Ferment Anti-Dandruff Shampoo with Pure Protect Actives. Of course, no harmful chemicals. This is in 180 ml bottle. And then, ito, papakita ko sa inyo. This is my dealer ID card. So, ayan siya. So, this entitles me for a commission whenever I make a sale from Human Nature. And then, I'll just present this ID when making my purchase para I can also have my own discount. So, diba? Ang convenient. Nakabili na ako, may discount pa ako. Tapos, pwede pa ako maka-earn ng money or ng additional point when someone orders from Human Nature using my code. Nice, diba? So, ayan. Meron din silang in-include na Human Nature catalog. So, meron din sila for babies, for teens, for women. Meron din sila for household. Ayan, ang dami. Sobrang dami. So, if you guys want to check out their products, you can visit their Facebook page, their Instagram page, as well as you can also contact them in these numbers provided. You can email their customer service. So, I can just also flash this on your screen, on the caption na lang. Ayan, para makita nyo din siya. You can visit them in their website and at www.humanheartnature.com, or you can email them at customer.service@humanheartnature.com. Ayan. And diba na-mention ko na pwede kayong maging dealer or member ni Human Heart Nature at pwede kayong kumita. So, as a holiday treat, Human Nature is giving away a limited offer until the end of this year. So, instead of having or paying a regular membership fee for $799, pwede ka nang maging member for only 500 pesos. Biro mo, it's a 299 pesos saving at magiging member ka na agad-agad ni Human Nature, guys, which already includes 588 pesos worth of your personal choice of products. Sobrang sulit, diba? Parang sobra-sobra pa yung binigay sa'yo ni Human Nature. May products ka na, magiging member ka pa, meron ka pang chance na kumita. So guys, mag-register na kayo. This is only until the end of this year. Grab this limited offer from Human Nature. Magpa-member na kayo agad-agad for just 500 pesos. May kasama na yan agad na 588 pesos worth of product choices na gusto nyo from their product line, of course. So, ayan, that is the end of our unboxing for today from Human Nature. Maraming salamat, Miss Bea, for a very smooth transaction and for being very accommodating sa aking mga orders. Thank you so much, Human Nature. Don't forget, guys, bumili na kayo sa Human Nature ng inyong mga pahabol gift. Very affordable and safe. Very convenient din para. So, ayan. Thank you so much for watching again this unboxing video. See you again for more unboxing videos pa sa mga susunod. Bye!
Shake it, baby.